sweet coconut milk balls or coconut ladoo or nariyal ke ladoo are the tastiest of the dinner recipes and most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the sweet recipes and one of the most different of the dessert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut dessert recipes. Today we're going to make sweet desiccated coconut balls or sweet desiccated coconut milk balls or coconut ladoo. Now we have taken around 200 grams of desiccated coconut, grated coconut. We have grated the coconut first and we have squeezed out the coconut milk, make it dry and desiccate it. Now put the desiccated grated coconut into the grinder. Now after putting in all the coconut, we can close and grind well. Now put in the ground coconut which we have ground into a fine powder into the plate. Do this until all the coconut, grated coconut is made into a fine powder by grinding in the grinder. The pan and put in the powdered coconut into the pan. And salt it thoroughly so as to dry out the rest of the moisture and make it completely desiccated. Alternately, you can take the shell of the coconut and then take off the brown part of the coconut and then cut up the white part, the kernel, and grind it and then do this procedure. Thoroughly salt the powdered coconut in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes. Now put off the flame and let the mixture cool. Now take off the coconut powder into the plate. Now pour in milk around 300 ml into the pan. Now let the milk boil. If you want, you can fry the coconut in clarified butter, or you can do it in this way. First boil the milk while keeping on stirring. Now putting the coconut powder, desiccated coconut powder, into the milk. Mix. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture thicken. Mix the coconut and milk together. And let it become nice and thick. When it's near evaporating, put in around 100 grams of sugar, mix. You can increase or decrease the sugar as you want. Mix and keep on mixing. In low flame. Keep on sauteing. Saute thoroughly. mixture becomes flaky with minimum moisturizer. All the milk should evaporate. Now the mixture of the coconut and the milk has become flaky. Now the flame can be put off and the mixture can be allowed to cool. You can add cardamom powder or cashew if you want. That is optional. Or raisins to this mixture. And let the mixture cool for 10 minutes. Now, after the mixture cools down, roll it into a ball shape. The hand and dip it in the desiccated coconut powder and keep it aside. Do this with the next coconut ball. Repeat the procedure. Dip and apply the desiccated coconut powder on the ball and keep it aside. Do this until the whole mixture is made into balls of equal size. You can decorate it with fried raisins or cashew as you like. This is the final sweet coconut milk ball or sweet coconut ladoo or nariyal ke ladoo. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet recipes and one of the most easiest to make the coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the milk ball recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.